Hi guys!
The Tofu Chef is back!
And today we are going to make vegan cheese with firm tofu.
A very economical version compared to a regular vegan cheese.
So let's get started!
We are the
Tofu Chef! The popular recipes online primarily use cashews for the fat content of the cheese. Cost conscious as we are, we have come up with this more economical, healthier, and lighter version using firm tofu. The very first step is to soak cashews in boiling water for at least 20 minutes to soften them. This step is critical to achieve a creamy texture for all recipes using cashews.
"200-gram firm tofu can give the cheese spread an even smoother texture compared to using cashews alone.
A quarter cup of lime juice to add the acidic flavor to the spread. A quarter cup of nutritional yeast. Half teaspoon of salt.
3 tablespoons of coconut oil.
And finally, a quarter cup of fresh chopped dill.
Blend, blend, blend. Scrape. Blend, blend, blend. And keep blending until you achieve a desired texture, just like your regular cheese spread.
Voila! Put the spread in a jar. You can refrigerate it for up to 5 days.
Enjoy this cheese spread as a versatile dipping for basically everything. We also like to put it on our vegan burgers and spread it on an open sandwich or cracker to enjoy as a snack.
So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Stay tuned for more tofu-based recipes. We'll be back soon. Bye!
Bye!